I hate this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Activating an eSIM on your Pixel with Bell Canada can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your Pixel 2026 is unlocked and compatible with Bell's eSIM service. You can usually find this information on Bell's website or by contacting their support. Step 2. Get your eSIM activation code. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Open the Settings app. On your Pixel, navigate to the Settings app. From there, go to the Network and Internet section to start the eSIM activation process. Step 4. Add mobile plan. Select Add mobile plan and then choose the option to scan the QR code or enter the activation code manually. If you choose to scan, ensure your camera is clean for the best results. Step 5. Confirm activation. Follow the prompts to confirm the activation of your eSIM. Once completed, restart your device to ensure the changes take effect. You should see Bell's network signal after rebooting. If you run into any issues, double check that you entered the activation code correctly, as even a small mistake can prevent activation. Happy connecting!